We're here with Thriving with Tyler today. We got something different on this Tuesday. So be ready. We're doing a science experiment today instead of a craft. Still something you can do with all your household stuff. It's still super easy. It's going to be lots of fun. We're going to learn some new things. That'll be fun. So make sure you check out yesterday's Coffee with Caitlin. It's a little bit of tips and things on how to boost your immune system from home. It's really cool, the little stuff that she's got for you. Make sure you do the survey. Let us know what we could be doing to help you guys at home get through this quarantine time. It's still rough. It's still going. Hopefully there's an end in sight. And make sure you guys like and share my video, please. All right, I've got my special guest stars here again. You guys want to say your name?
My name's Lena.
It's Lena, and we've got Jenny here today. So, today our science experiment is going to be how rain clouds actually work. So, we've got 4 things. We've got our mason jar full of water. We just filled it up to about the lip here. We've got our shaving cream, and we've got our food dye. So, the question is, what are rain clouds? Lena, can you tell me what rain clouds are?
They're cotton candy.
They're cotton candy? What do you think rain clouds are? You don't know? So, rain clouds look like cotton candy, don't they? Especially when the sun sets and it's all pink and it looks really, really good. I thought so too for a while. But it's actually tiny water drops or tiny water particles that float and collect in the sky. So those big clouds that you see are actually very, 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 very small floating raindrops. And now how does it rain? What do you think happens, Lena? Why do the clouds rain? You don't know? Do you know? No, when I was little I thought it was because they were sad. But it's actually not because they're sad. Right? The clouds collect so much rainwater and it actually gets heavy and dense that the rain collects again into a little bit bigger raindrops and then fall from the sky, and that's how you get rain. The actual science term for a rain cloud is, do you know, Lena? No? Do you know? No. It's called a nimbus. Can you say it with me? Nimbus. So that is an actual rain cloud. All right, let's get started. We've got our glasses here full of water. Like I said, we fill it up to about the lip here so we have a little bit of room for shaving cream up top. Now the water represents the air and the ground. And then we've got our shaving cream. Do you want to put your shaving cream on there? All right, go ahead, fill your cloud with sky, or fill your sky with clouds. All right, so we've got our clouds there. Then we are actually going to add lots and lots and lots of droplets. All right, you ready?
Yeah.
I'm going to just add a whole bunch. Now, like I said, the food coloring is actually the rain coming down. So as the food drops collect up at the top, they are going to eventually fall down into your sky. Yep. Oh, mine's going. Need more rain? Now use as many drops as you can. See, mine right here is kind of collecting down here. Go grab me. Is it going?
Right
there we go. Oh, there we go. Perfect. So, like I said, as the water collects, you can see down here at the bottom. Don't put your fingers in there, Jen. Did you already do that?
No.
Are you lying? Yeah, you are. So, as you can see, what happens when you go through rain clouds, you get wet. Who would have thought? And that is how rain works. So, like I said, the food coloring is the rain that collects, and once it gets heavy, like we saw with Lena's, her rain cloud needed a lot more water to finally fall through. Jen's needed a little bit more, and then mine didn't need as much. So it all depends on how your cloud forms and how much rain you've got in there. So, thank you so much for watching. We hope you guys learned a little bit. So did you guys have fun?
Yeah.
Yeah, you guys get a little messy?
Yeah.
Perfect. So you can do this at home. There are lots of YouTube videos on this as well. Please feel free to check those out. We will be doing an activity on Friday. What are we doing, girls?
Just dance.
Just dance? And you're teaching me what? TikTok dances, right? TikTok dances. It's going to be really, really bad. I hope you guys are excited. All right. Have a wonderful Tuesday, and we'll see you on Friday. Bye.